Hey everybody, Danielle Peterson here. I'm just going to talk to you for a couple minutes about one of the biggest objections I get when it comes to joining as a Beachbody coach. A lot of times people are on the fence because they feel they need to be a fitness expert in order to join this company, and that's not the case at all. I know we sell fitness programs and we offer nutrition and shakes when it comes to Shakeology, whey protein. We have supplements, so many different things, but the training is all there when it comes to those products, number one. But Beachbody's biggest thing is to get people healthy with support and accountability. And you get that support and accountability from your team, from your fellow coaches, from your upline coach, from all the other people in that group, in that network. I know my team that I'm a part of, the Fitness League of New England, I have support 24/7. If I need something when it comes to fitness or nutrition or the business aspect of it, I can go in there and somebody will answer my question in 5 minutes. Not even kidding you. There's always somebody in that group. So it's an amazing thing. You're never left behind, which is, that's what accountability and support is all about, right? So that's what I love about it. And people sign up for different reasons. You might not sign up for the same reason I did. I signed up for this business because I wanted to make money. I do want this to be my, my full-time income, and I'm getting closer and closer every day. But somebody else might sign up solely because they want to start out with their fitness and they want to get on that right lifestyle track and they want to lose weight. But you know what usually ends up happening is that they're working their program, whether it's P90X, Insanity, Hip Hop Abs, whatever the program may be, they're working it, and all of a sudden somebody comes up to them and says, wow, you look really good, how much weight have you lost, what are you doing? And you can tell them, hey, I've been doing P90X, this is day 30, I've lost 4 inches already, and would you be interested in trying it? Have that person work out with you one day. You don't even have to sign them up right then and there. Show them what the business is all about. Show them what we do. We work out and we drink Shakeology and we get paid for it. And that person joins the team and that coach is like, wow, this business really does work. And they went from signing up, to get the support and the accountability to help them, and now they realize that they just helped somebody else. So that's what I love about it, and that's where there's a fine line. You do not need to know about fitness. We offer all the training on all the videos. You'll learn all the videos. You don't need to talk about any of the videos because you can go onto YouTube and you can type in Hip Hop Abs and the infomercial will come up, and you can send that to somebody in an email or on Facebook, whatever the case may be. So all of our advertising is done for us, where we don't need to know that, what's going on in P90X. We can send somebody the information and get it to them, and that will get them to understand it fully. So this business is for anyone that is interested in changing their lifestyle, anybody who wants to be healthy, anybody who likes to help others. I know that I love paying it forward. This business will work for you if you really put your mind to it, and it'll work for you whether you want it for the money or you want it for fitness results. So if you're interested, send me a message and I'll definitely get back to you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.